Good morning, everybody. You're looking at one of my many growing rooms for my passion flowers, and I need to get my subscribers up to possibly get some money to help pay for my dog's medical treatments. So somebody suggested that I give away a free passion flower starter when I hit 500 subscribers. I'll randomly pull a name and make sure you get it. So please share if you're interested in purchasing any of my passion flowers. They do start at $15 and up. I do sell by the size. I have several different colors ready to go. Here's a photo of these three, plus Victoria in the background. She is rare. She is more expensive than most. Haven't been able to get the seeds for years, but this is her time to bloom. It's November, and she puts out blooms now, where the other one will bloom in the summer to midsummer, and then they stop in the fall. So if you're interested, you can just contact me, or if you would like to enter the drawing for a free starter, you just have to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.